Hey guys, well, welcome back to the channel. We just got the phone call from the trucker who's going to be at the storage unit in about 20-30 minutes to pick up the car. So we're going to head over there now and meet him, and we're going to go from there. All right, stay tuned. So it definitely got pretty cold over here. Yesterday was actually really nice, about 70 degrees, and today it's about 45. So we'll be pushing the car and loading it up in today's weather. Anyone from South Texas will know that the weather down here is rather bipolar. But it's boost weather, so I guess you can't really complain too much. One thing that I needed to ask the driver about is, do they offer any kind of tracking while they're driving? Kind of like UPS or whatever, some kind of GPS tracking system. When I was doing my research through UShip, it was it's like a broker service online. They had offered something similar to the GPS tracking, but the company that I ended up going with, a place called Paragon Shipping. I'm not plugging for them or anything. They just were the fastest ones to pick up my car. You know, as much as I do miss driving the STI, I'm not gonna lie, driving this little Fiat around, and it's pretty much been my daily driver now for the last 9-10 months. This thing really is an absolute hoot to drive. It's fun, it's nimble, it's quick for what it is. It's small enough to jump in and out of parking spots and slightly tight areas in traffic. Coming up soon, probably the next month or two, I'll post a video about a walk around on the car and showing the modifications I've made and my impressions of it. But it's been a good little car for the time being. Definitely does not have the power the STI has or will have, but it's a totally different driving experience. All right, well, we got to the storage unit. Just gonna head over there. Actually, I think that's the truck right there. That might be the guy who's picking my car up. So we'll find out. All right, so we just did a walk around the entire complex. Turns out the truck driver thinks he can get his whole truck around. We don't have to push it out in the street. Today's already turning out to be a great day on top of everything else. This will be the last time I open up this storage unit to find this thing busted. It's kind of exciting, actually. Alrighty. Start pushing back.
Back it up one more time. No, it's good. It's good. Sure? Yeah.
Hang on, stop pushing, stop pushing. Up there.
Hold it right there. You can't change around. Yeah.
Just gonna inspect the car now for any kind of issues. Car is really dirty, but it's gonna at least show that there's no damage on this car. Alright, there's the only spot on the whole car. Everything else is just dirt, and windshield has no cracks. And last wheel, no curb rash. Front lip is in good shape. What's that?
You're like on the floor on this one, man.
More. Ready? More. No, I got it. More. Yep, you got it. What's up? Right. Oh yeah. Lift. Let me see.
Are we dragging right here? Guys?
Yes.
Right here in the middle. Are we dragging?
No, no.
I hear something.
No, you're good. Maybe it was an exhaust, but you passed through it. All right, go left.
Well, we got the car loaded up. He left at about 6:20 in the afternoon. Apparently there's going to be 4 cars on that load, all heading up to Maryland. GoPro died, so I'm on my phone now, so please forgive the quality. We're going to head over to Torchy's Tacos and celebrate, and the next time we see the STI, we'll be breaking her in and cruising around Houston. So stay tuned. As always, if you like what you see and want to see some more, hit that subscribe button.